Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Amaya channel. Today we are going to study relation function important questions. I'm audible, beta? Okay. Okay, am I audible now? Fine, thank you. So we are not going to waste our time. Different type of relations already we have finished, like empty relation we have discussed. Then we talked about universal relation. After empty relation, universal relation, identity relation, reflexive relation. After reflexive relation, symmetric, anti-symmetric, and transitive. All different type of relations already we have studied. Now what we are going to do is we will solve questions related to it. Okay. Now 3 to 4 mark from relation it is coming. After that function part is there, from their question is coming. Fine. Now let's see questions related to it. Fine. Example number 3. Fine, beta. Let's see example number 3. Example number 3, what is given? Show that the relation R on a set A, 1, 2, 3. How many elements are present in set A? 3 elements are present. Given by relation 1, 2, 2, 1 is symmetric, but neither reflexive nor transitive. Okay, what is the most important condition for symmetric relation? Anyone tell me most important condition for symmetric relation? Let's see who can answer first. Me and my opposite. Very good, Farhana. That is 1, 2, 2, 1. 1, 3, 3, 1. For symmetric relation, just remember this shortcut. 1, 2, 2, 1. 1, 3, 3, 1. 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Like that. So now, yes, Pritika, correct only. A comma B, B comma A. That is very, very important for symmetric relation. Okay. Now here, what they have asked, they have told us to show that only symmetric condition is satisfied, but no reflexive nor transitive. Fine. For reflexive condition, what is most important? For reflexive relation, what is me and myself? Correct, Harniwala. That is 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, like that condition. That is called as reflexive relation. Okay, beta. So here reflexive relation, see what is missing here in reflexive relation. Here in relation, it is given that A is a set. So definitely when A will be a set, then A cross A will be having 9 element. So when it will be having 9 element, it will have 1, 1, it will have 2, 2 also, it will have 3, 3 also, it will have 1, 2 also, it will have 2, 1 also, it will have 1, 3 also, it will have 3, 1 also. So like that, it will have 2, 3 also, it will have 3, 2 also. So like that, all sets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 set is coming. 9 elements present inside Cartesian product is coming. Okay. So now 9 element present inside Cartesian product is there. What we are missing here? What we are missing in this question? Example number 3. Tell me. Here we are missing, if we wanted this relation to be reflexive, then 100% 1, 1, 2, 2 and 3, 3 must be there. But here 1, 1, 2, 2 and 3, 3 is not present inside the relation. So it is not a reflexive relation. Second is, most important thing for transitive relation, 1, 2, 2, 3. So I'll solve it somewhere. Wait. Look here, beta. Here in this question, relation is given 1 2 and 2 1. Okay, for relation to be transitive, what condition is needed? Here this example is there. According to this example, you have to remember one very important point. Please focus here. One very important point is 1 comma 2 belongs to R. Also 2 comma 1 belongs to R. Very good, Maheshwal. AB belongs to R, BC belongs to R, then AC must belongs to R. For every ABC belonging to a correct condition for correct. Awesome work, Maheshwal. So exactly today also you have given the most prior answer. Harish is also telling AB, BC, AC should belongs to, and it is only going to make it transitive. It is going to make it transitive. How it is going to make it transitive? Just remember one shortcut method like AB, BC, AC is there. So AB is present, BC is present, then AC will be present. You can cancel. What left? AC. So AC will also be present, then only it will be transitive. Okay. So here you see 1 2 is there, 2 1 is there. Then which one you need to make it transitive? This relation will be transitive because yes, Harish, 1 1 is missing. Look here, beta. When you will write 1 2, 1 2 is belonging to R and 2 1 is belonging to R. Then what is missing here? 1 comma 1 belongs to R. This is what is missing here. Okay. So 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1. It is there, but which one is missing here is 1 comma 1. Because of it, it is not a transitive relation. And most important for reflexive, me and myself. So if A, B, C or 1 2 3 element is present inside a set, then relation must contain 1 1 2 2 and 3 3. If 1 1 2 2 and 3 3 will be present inside the relation, then only the relation will be called as reflexive. But here 1 1 2 2 and 3 3 is not present inside it. Because of it, it is not a reflexive relation. Then what type of relation it is only? It is only symmetric relation, because symmetric says me and my opposite. So here 1 2 is there and 2 1 is there, and because 1 2 and 2 1 is there, it is only symmetric. And let's see how they have solved the question. So we have understood the concept. One more time I am telling, it is not reflexive, it is not transitive. For reflexive, what is needed inside relation? What should be inside this relation? What should be inside this relation? 1 1 2 2 3 3. Very good, Farhana. Mahesh, well, everyone correct. 1 1 2 2 3 3 is missing, beta. 1 1 2 2 and 3 3 is not here, so it is not a reflexive relation. Next, transitive relation. Here it is not transitive relation. Why? Because 1 1 is missing here. It is only symmetric relation because 1 2 and 2 1 is there. 1 2 and 2 1 is there. Let's see how they have represented the answer. Look here, what they are telling, what we have now understood. Let's see how they have represented it. What they are telling, we observe that 1 1, 1 1, 2 2 and 3 3 do not belong to relation. Since 1 1, 2 2 and 3 3 is not there in relation, it is not reflexive. Okay. Now here it is telling clearly 1 1 2 and 2 1 is present inside the relation. So it is symmetric. See, look here. It is not like A cross A, all the elements should be inside relation. Listen to me nicely. There were total how many elements? There were total 9 elements inside A cross A. When A will be equal to, this condition must be understood. Okay, don't do this mistake in exam, 12th board exam. Very important. Not a small mistake I want from you. So be very specific. What you are writing, controlled writing is needed. For getting 100, controlled writing is needed. Okay. So what is written here is A is equal to 1 2 3 elements are present inside. Then beta, Cartesian product of A cross A. will be containing 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3. But beta, these many 9 elements are there. But in relation, how many elements they have given? In relation, they have given only 2 elements. Okay. Now beta, they are telling that prove it is symmetric also, transitive also, reflexive also. So out of 9, only 2 has been taken out. Okay. Now it is 100% not reflexive. Why? Because for reflexive, it is telling me and myself. So 1, 1, 2, 2 and 3, 3 is missing. So that's why it is not reflexive. So what we will write, since 1 comma 1 does not belongs to relation, 2 comma 2 does not belongs to relation, and 3 comma 3 does not belongs to relation. Hence, R is not reflexive on A. But a book, however they will write, you write in symbolic form. That is 1 comma 1 is not present inside, 1 comma 1 element is not present inside relation, 2 comma 2 element is not present inside relation, 3 comma 3 element is not present inside relation. Because of that, R is not reflexive relation on A. Okay, specific one point we have written. Fine. Now, next part. Since 1 comma 2 belongs to R, also 2 comma 1 belongs to R, for all 1 2 belongs to R, hence R is symmetric on A. But a symbolic presentation, book will present in any of the form. You have to represent symbolically, because people, the person who is going to correct your answers will be a very, very experienced person, and that person will be needing entire content from you. Okay, so because of that, you have to present it nicely. So this is a way to present. 1 comma 2 belongs to R, 2 comma 1 belongs to R, for all 1 2 belongs to R, hence R is symmetric. Now third one is transitive. So for transitive condition, what you are going to write? Okay, one toolbar got open. I have to close it. So for reflexive, transitive, what we need to do, what we need to do is 1 comma 2 belongs to R, 2 comma 1 belongs to R, but 1 comma 1 does not belongs to R. Means there are 2 elements which is present inside R, but the third one which must be there so that it will become transitive is missing. Okay, because of that, hence R is not reflexive on A. Statement writing must important. Okay, so R is symmetric only. R is not reflexive here. R is not, sorry, I wrote reflexive only. Here it will be transitive on A. Fine. So now let's go for next question. Let's see how you are taking this question. Example number 4. We started with easy examples. Now we are going towards NCERT examples and most important examples. Okay. Now next question is, check the following relation R and S for reflexivity, symmetry and transitivity. Beta, I have forgotten one very important point. Can you tell me RST together makes which relation? RST together makes which relation? Yesterday. Very good, Pritika. Very good, Vishika, Maheshwal. Pratika, Vishika, and Maheshwal, Harni Bala all have written. Farhana have written. And write everyone, write fast. It is exactly equivalence relation. It is equivalence relation. RST. In alphabets, how you are telling? P, Q, R, S, T. R is reflexive, S is symmetric, T is transitive. Reflexive, symmetric, transitive. I repeat, reflexive, symmetric, transitive. So if these three will be there, together they are making equivalence relation. Okay. So now first question, what they are saying, that A is related to B if, okay, it is set on what they have not given. It is already only told about that AB belongs to natural number. So when it is written here AB belongs to natural number, that means you have to understand it is a set of natural number. What you have to understand? It is a set of natural number. Okay. Now, when it will be a set of natural number, how to write the answer properly? Beta, look here. Book started with A is related to B and A is divided. See what it is given, that B is divisible by A. B is divisible by A means A divides B. Symbolic presentation, B is divisible by A. You write like this now. B is divisible by A. This representation in other way written as like this. That is A divides B. A divides B. A divides B. A divides B. How we are going to read it as? A divides B. I repeat, A divides B. It is not like A slash B is there. I don't know what is there. It is case for division. In relation, I repeat, it is case for division. You must remember the element which is present first is going to divide the element which is present after. So if somebody will write 5, this, then tell me which one is dividing which one. 10 is divided by 5. 10 is divided by 5. What will be the answer? 1 by 2 or 2? Tell me clearly. Very good, very good. Vishika, Maheshwal, super. Okay, Anish, Farhana, Pritika. Pritika, you are mistaking, beta. It will not be 1 by 2, Pritika. Yuvashri, Harish is correct. Nidhi, beta, answer the question, beta. Look here. Everyone answer the question. Will it be 1 by 2 or 2? Will it be 1 by 2 or 2? The correct answer is 2, beta. Yuvashri, answer the question. Okay, Yuvashri, answer the question, beta. Will it be 2 or 1 by 2? Pritika is telling 2. Now, Pritika, okay. Pritika understood why it will be 2, beta. Okay. Everyone understood? Anyone having doubt, please tell. Correct, Harnibala. Awesomely written. That is 10 divided by 5. No doubt, Maheshwal. Anyone having doubt? Correct, Vishika. That is 10 divided by 5. Where is my Yuvashri bhai? Anish has answered the question. Okay. So, beta, first work in relation is to understand the question. Tamilarshan, you have understood, beta? In chat box, write yes or no. I will understand you have understood or not. Okay. Now look here. It is exactly written as A divided by B, A divided by B, or B divided by A. A divided by B or B divided by A. Whenever it will be written, first one, whatever is there, it is going to divide. So correct answer is B is divided by A. B is divided by A. I repeat again and again so that you will not make mistake. B is divided by A. Now, it has been written in their own form. So why we are going to follow the book pattern? We are going to generate our pattern only. Okay. So we are going to write in our own way. They have written that we know that this condition reflexivity is there, this. Now look here, beta. What is the relation given? Relation given here is this belongs to R such that A divides B, where AB belongs to natural number. Okay, see, question was written in a different pattern. First, you have to convert it into the standard pattern. In book, whatever is written, but the standard pattern, that is set builder form. If you will be presenting it in set builder form, the person who is going to correct your paper will definitely clap for you. The reason behind is it is a toughest method. Next important, it is more precise. You know what? It is called as a standard method. Okay, standard set builder method is standard method, and exactly it was written in the question, A related to B. So here the standard format of writing is AB element belongs to R such that A divides B, where AB belongs to set of natural numbers. Now what it is, if you will listen to the recording again, you will understand it. If you have not understood now, understand it, you will understand that time. That one very important point is there, that from the Cartesian product of n cross n, I repeat, from the Cartesian product of n cross n, whatever relation you are taking out, whatever relation you are taking out, all that relation element will be capable of dividing B by A. Means like 4 by 2 is there, so they will be capable of dividing. Okay, so let's see how they will be capable of dividing. So first we will start reflexivity. Let A be an element which is belonging to n. A be any element. A be any element belonging to A. Since every element divide itself. Now I will compare both the answers, book answer and what answer I have written. See, I have represented it symbolically. I didn't wrote any unwanted things. I wrote the most important thing. Then it will be absolutely. So first what I did is, I did my duty. I told that any element of natural number I have taken. Okay. And that element of natural number I have taken is 1, A, anything. So I take A, I took A. After taking A, I'm saying that every element divides itself. This what I have written. This is written as every element divides itself. What I have written, every element divides itself. That is A divides A. For all, A is an element of natural number. So if every element can divide itself, that means A comma A, this element must be belonging to relation R, because relation came with and told that ki my element, whatever element of natural number will be there, it will be divided by another element of natural number. So natural number says that all my numbers are capable of dividing itself. So this is what, and that's why R is reflexive on A. Now see one magic, what answer they have given. and what answer you have written. So let's see here what they have written. They have written in set same representation, but representation is lacking here. What is written here? A divided by A, and then it is belonging to natural number, reflexive. Now you see what you have written. You started with a set builder presentation. You wrote that A divides B for all AB belongs to natural number. Then you wrote that, okay, if you are not understanding, I'm giving you a an easy example. Let 1 belongs to, see, natural number is there. A natural number will be containing 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So definitely 1 will belong to natural number. Don't take 1, 4 belongs to natural number. Okay, now 4 can divide itself, and 4 belongs to natural number. 4 can divide itself. Every number can divide itself. So 4 belongs to natural number. So beta, if every number divides itself and 4 belongs to natural number, that means 4 comma 4 belongs to real relation. Okay. So any element, so in this way, what I did is I took a general element and I named it as A. And then I proved A can divide itself and it is reflexive. Now quickly tell me, how many of you have not understood? Understood, not understood? You have full right, beta, to tell you have understood, not understood. Then only I will work on it now. Okay, Harni Bala, Maheshwal, Harish, Vishika, Anish, understood na beta? Farhana, once you will understand. Tamil understood beta? Yuvashri, Vishika, Nidhi, doubt is there anyone? Sham understood. Very good beta. Okay, Sham also understood. Everyone understood. Tamil Arshan understood. Very good beta. Thank you so much. Nidhi understood. Super beta. So we have done the first part of it. We have not done the second part of it. We have just finished the first part of it. Okay. Once you will understand how to write it na beta, you will not need auntie. You will not need me. You will itself present it flawless the way you are doing. Okay. So reflexive part over. Now tell me one thing. 2 divides 4, but will 4 be able to divide 2? Simple question I'm asking before going to symmetry. Okay, because beta, you should ask yourself this question. No, auntie. Very good. Beta, 2 divides 4. That means 4 is divided by 2. An answer will come to which belongs to natural number. Very good, Harish. It will be fraction. Maheshwal is telling no. Okay, Farhana is telling that auntie 2 can divide 4. Very good. But beta, can 4 divide 2? That is 4 divide. No, very good, Pritika. Beta, it can divide, but problem is coming is it is coming as fraction. Very good, Anish. So it is coming as fraction. Maheshwal is telling 1 by 2 will come. But beta, can you tell me one thing? Does 1 by 2 belongs to set of natural number? 1 by 2. Very good, Maheshwal. Very good, Vishika Harnibala. Very good, and very good, Anish. Everyone is doing your work very nicely, beta. That is 1 by 2 does not belongs to set of natural number. So exactly to whom I am pointing right now? Tell me, to whom I am pointing right now? Which part of relation I am pointing that it is not possible? Very good, Vishiga. Very good, Pritika. Exactly, I'm pointing towards symmetry. Symmetry says that me and myself, me and my opposite. So, beta, me can be possible, but my opposite cannot be possible. Okay, me possible, but my opposite cannot be possible. 3 can divide 6, but 6 cannot divide 3. Take simple examples. 4 can divide 8. Tamil understood, beta? Yuvashri? 4 can divide 8, but 8 cannot divide 4. Fraction will come. So first phase division will not support the second phase division because beta it will bring fraction, and fraction numbers is not present in natural number set. So since fraction numbers is not present in natural number set, it will never be called as symmetric. Now we have first, I have not shown you the answer. Now you let's see what book has told. We may be wrong. Our understanding may be wrong. But book is telling the same thing. See what book is telling. R is not symmetric because A can divide B, but B may not divide A. For example, 2 can divide 6, but 6 can divide 2. It will not belongs to natural number. But book presentation is very weak. They presented to let you understand, but they didn't present it to let you get full 100. Okay, this presentation is lacking. So what we are going to do, we are going to present in our own way. So what we will write? We will write there the way we have written symmetric relation. In that, right, let A be A comma B let A comma B belongs to set of natural number. Okay, then A divides B what is coming? Okay, A divides B, then A divides B beta where AB belongs to natural number. Okay, but when B divides A, then B by A does not belongs to natural number. It will come as fraction. So write the presentation that fraction does not belongs to set of natural number. Fraction does not belongs to set of natural number, set of n. Hence, A comma B belongs to relation, but B comma A does not belongs to relation. Hence, R is not symmetric No, but here it is not. So B by A is not equal to A by B. Here that is a case of anti-symmetric Maheshwal. Okay. On N. Now look here, beta. One more time I'm explaining for you because once you will understand how to writing presentation. Presentation is very important in relation and function. It is not a problem solving concept. It is a presentation concept. How you can present in a best way. Okay, a person will be getting 5 answers. How you are the best. How your answer is the best. You have presented it in a different way. Like A divides B. That is, AB belongs to set of natural number. But when B will be dividing A, B by A is not belonging to set of natural number. Okay. And if you cannot represent like this, then after writing this, support with a number answer. Like 2 can be like in the book, how the book has supported. Book just wrote that 2 divides 4, but 4 cannot divide 2 because it will give a fraction number. Okay. So that is what I supported my statement with. I supported my content with a statement that fraction does not belong to set of natural number. Okay, can can you tell me you've understood this part or not, beta? With an example, did you understood? Yuva understood, everyone understood, Nidhi understood. Okay, Maheshwal understood, Harish understood, Vishiga understood, Tamil understood, Pritika understood. Beta, if you have any doubt, Harni Bala, this is 12th exam, beta. Each and every Nidhi understood, beta. Each and every part is important. We cannot leave for scoring 100. I'm only sitting here. That's it. Okay. And for 100, you have to learn each and every small technique of writing. Okay. So this one is over. We will go. Farhana understood, beta. Anish. Yuva. Nidhi. Okay. Nidhi is also telling she understood. Anish. Yuva. You were not answering today, beta. What happened? Okay, beta. Now look here. Last one is transitive relation. How to prove it is transitive relation? Very easy to prove it is transitive relation. We will write transitive. Can anybody tell me 2 divides 4, 4 divides 8, then 2 will definitely divide 8. 3 divides 6, 6 divides 12, then 3 will also divide 12. Simple transitive it is coming. So we will write let A, B, C belongs to set of natural number. So A divides B. Okay. A divides B where AB belongs to natural number. B divides B divides C. BC belongs to natural number. Therefore, A will also divide C. AC belongs